What if you could have a dishwasher without installing plumbing or remodeling your kitchen? Today, we're comparing two popular countertop options, AIRMSEN versus EUHOMY. Both are designed for apartments, RVs, dorms, and small kitchens. AIRMSEN. First, we have AIRMSEN. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in 5-liter water tank, allowing you to fill it manually without a permanent water connection. You can also connect it to a faucet when needed. Depending on the model, AIRMSEN offers multiple wash programs, high-temperature cleaning, drying, and air refresh functions, plus a delay start feature. Its compact design is another major advantage, especially if you're dealing with limited counter space. So AIRMSEN is a strong option if you want flexibility, compact design, and more features.
EUHOMY. Now let's look at EUHOMY. EUHOMY also comes with a 5-liter built-in water tank, so there's no need for permanent plumbing. It offers 6 programs, including normal, quick, eco, baby care, fruit, and dry. The quick cycle can run in about 29 minutes, while the baby care mode uses high-temperature cleaning. EUHOMY also focuses on quiet operation, with noise levels around 40 decibels, plus hot air drying and extended ventilation to help keep dishes dry and reduce odors. So if you prefer quiet operation, simple programs, and convenient drying, EUHOMY is a compelling choice.
Which one is better? Here's the important part. AIRMSEN is better suited for people who prioritize a compact design and more flexible features. EUHOMY is a great choice if quiet operation and straightforward cleaning and drying functions are more important to you. And remember,
Final verdict? For maximum flexibility and compact design, I'd lean toward AIRMSEN. For quiet operation and simple everyday use, EUHOMY deserves a serious look. Both solve the same major problem, getting dishwasher convenience without installing a full-size dishwasher. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and specifications. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen problem-solving products and comparisons.